see some students who they work hand in hand with Boko Haram in University of Maiduguri. Thank God, hand don't catch them. Breeze don't blow, foul nyash don't open. Wow! Now you see them, they are responsible, they dress well. Who even know that they have that plan? Who know that they have that mind of working hand in hand with Boko Haram in the bush? Thank God the hand have caught them. They are the student of University in Maiduguri. They are the informant of Boko Haram. Their name is on the payroll of Boko Haram. That is, they settle them every month for every mission they carry out. And how these people, they operate is very simple. How they work for Boko Haram is very simple. They are the informant. Whenever they want to strike, these people will first go ahead of them. They calculate everything. They see everything because nobody is suspecting them. And that gave them opportunity or privilege to visit anywhere at all. Being mosque, being church, being everywhere. Whenever people gather that they want to carry out operation, these people will be the first people to go there. And after they go there, they hear news and go back and tell them, in so place, this is what is there. In so place, this is what is there. And before you know, in 1 day, 2 days later, they strike. Thank God the hand don't catch them. And how it come to play, it is very simple. When they caught one of the, what is the name, the Oga of Boko Haram, they discover that on the transaction, everybody that is sending money to and the rest, they find out that these guys involved. You as a youth, please don't be so desperate to make quick money, because at the end of the day it will bring shame and disgrace to your family and maybe may even cost you your own life. Youth, be wise.
The crimes you have in the north, the insecurity you have in the north is as a direct consequence of their own action. They groomed them. Al-Qaeda in the Maghreb, ISIS in West Africa.
mana? Oke, shot take yi. Siana tana yi.
Kaga motocin sun ka saba da wannan.
Eh.
Ah, da san kan sai karuciya.
Amma ina je can gaban gidan Sale ba sai a yanga ba.
Bari duk sai sun gama. Sannun ku Allah ya tsare.
Kalle na ya kare kanti ne.
Na mashin din?
Na mashin. Na motar nan dai rika sani. Na'am?
Ofisa, sanu aiki. Allah ya tsare.
Ya daidai.
Ba har kana cikin tawagagan. Dogo.
Sani.
Barka da.
Bari su taka ɗan
We are together. Good night. Mota ai wa akwai wanda kirga motocin gaba.
ban kirga, amma na zo yanzu ƙarshe sai na kirga shi. Baya?
Amin Allah.
Ai baran ƙara yawa baya. Masar ya wuce? Bisa mashin yake. Ya wuce ina ganin.
amma shi da rauta ta ne tun da akwai wanda ya baro mota can to.
Yanzu haka? Cikin isa din? Da kaya?
Kai kamar ɗaukar su kai kasa.
Kai, a ji kaurin wani abu. Laina ne. Kai, ku gyara mu wuce.
The crimes you have in the north, the insecurity you have in the north is as a direct consequence of their own action. They groomed them. Al-Qaeda in the Maghreb, ISIS in West Africa. Boko
You've just
Haram.
heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.